Today we're going to talk about the benefits of Bael fruit. You might have seen or might have heard about this fruit. It has immense health benefits on a physical level, on a spiritual level. Just in case if it is not available in your city, in your country, what would be the other alternatives? What makes this fruit special or different from all the other fruits, in which all conditions, what all diseases this helps the patient in faster recovery, we're going to talk about in this video. Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jyovis. Bael in Ayurveda is called as Bilva. In medical terms, it's known by the name Agele mermelos. If we talk about the benefits, it has a lot of spiritual benefits as well. This is a fruit that's offered to Lord Shiva. It is commonly found in Bengal or South India, and the best time is the summer season. It hydrates the body, it moisturizes the skin. Talking about the appearance of this fruit, the hard external layer, it is generally thrown away. The fruit, when it is not ready to eat, it is green in color, then it turns to yellow color, and once the juice is made of this fruit, it is yellow in color. The best form of using this medicine, using this fruit, is a fresh juice. Let's understand about its nutritional value. If we take 100 grams of Bael, we get around 33 grams of carbohydrate. It's nearly having 61% of water. The protein fat is in less percentage, but it is filled with a lot of antioxidant. Per 100 grams, we get 137 calories in our system. Let's understand the benefits given in the classical text of Ayurveda. In Shusha Samhita Sutra Sthan 46, it is beautifully explained as Kapha Neelaram, Tikshna Snigdha Sangrahi Deepanam, Kadudikta Kashaya, Ushna Balam Bilva Udhartam. Let's understand the key points. Kapha Neelaram. Kaph, it reduces. Neela, which is it reduces the Vata dosh. What is Vata? What are the diseases associated with Kaph and Vata? We've discussed in the Prakriti video. The link is given in the description box below. We've discussed about Vata, Pitta, Kaph and the diseases related to these three doshas. Bael reduces the Kaph and Vata. It is Tikshna. It is having piercing qualities. It is Snigdha, unctuous, oily. It is Sangrahi. This is the main property of this fruit, an essential quality. Sangrahi, which means absorbent. In many patients of Grani Rog Pravahika, which is, you can relate this to IBS, the irritable bowel syndrome, or the ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, we see patients start losing weight. They face diarrhea or bleeding from the anus. They face issues like the nutrients are not getting absorbed properly. There is no proper division between the use and the waste part of our body, which is called as Sarakitta Vibhajan. The useful is not getting absorbed in the body, the waste is not getting eliminated in the body the way it should be. Hence, Sangrahi, absorbent qualities are required like Bael fruit. It is very, very useful when we add a juice of this fruit for patients of digestive disorders. The weight starts improving, the digestive system improves. It has Stamman qualities. Stamman, which means epistaxis, bleeding from the nose, running nose, or bleeding piles, bleeding from the anus area, diarrhea, loose motions, all these conditions, Bael is extremely beneficial. With Bael, we use Pravar, Pishti, Gairic and other Stammak Dravyas, which even enhances the result. The next word is Deepanam. Deepanam, which means it improves the digestive fire. Many a times we see they are experiencing loss of appetite. There is Anna Abhilasha, which means they look at the food, the plate is served, and as soon as they see the meal, the interest goes away, loss of interest in eating. They don't feel like eating food. In such condition, Bael is extremely useful. The next sentence is Kadudikta Kashaya, Katu, which means it's pungent in its taste, it's spicy. The Tikta, bitter in the taste, it is Kashai, astringent in taste. These are the taste. Kashai dravyas, astringent dravyas, the herbs that have astringent qualities, they are often stamban. They help in increasing the bulk of the stools. It decreases the mucus in the stools. These are all the benefits of Bael. For other conditions like blood pressure, we often tell patients to include Bael since it's high in potassium. We tell patients to consume Bael in diabetes since it is having low glycemic index. 1 cup of Bael, it's very, very useful. For patients of peptic ulcer, hyperacidity, acid reflux, it is extremely beneficial. 1 cup added with a little bit of salt is very, very useful in constipation. This is definitely, you must give it a try. For diarrhea or for reoccurring diarrhea, for such conditions, Bael juice 1 cup with little bit of salt acts as a ORS. It hydrates the body, it moisturizes the skin, gives strength to the intestine, the function is increased, the motility is increased in conditions of Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, IBS. We see somewhere the intestinal motility is decreased, the function is decreased, which is completely fixed with this Bael fruit. So these are all the benefits for lactating mothers as well. We advise them to consume 1 cup of Bael fruit. It improves the breast milk production, helps in blood purification as well. In the practice, we generally use it for disorders related to Majja Dhatu, the 6th tissue, for disorders of the brain, for disorders of the spine, for condition where nerve involvement is seen. For nervous system nourishment, we use Bael. Bilva Churna or Bael Phal Majja is something we use in such condition. It strengthens the nerves. For conditions like Gridrasi, which is sciatica, or paralysis, or conditions where tingling sensation, numbness is seen, for such conditions you try to add 1 cup, 1 glass of fresh Bael juice. You'll immediately see the changes in the system. The pain comes down, the tingling sensation, numbness is very much reduced when patients add in their diet. So these are all the benefits of Bael. How do you have to consume it? The best form of consuming this is of course Swaras. Swaras is the Uttam Kalpana. Out of the 5 Kalpanas, Swaras Kwat Kalka Hemafant or Swaras Kalka Kwat Hemafant. Swaras is said as the ultimate, as the best form. The fresh juice of Bael is very, very useful just in case if it is not available. If one cannot do this, the Bael juices are easily available in the market. The Bael Murabba can be consumed during meals, even that is useful. There is, Bilwadi Churna that you get in the market. For various other purposes, there are n number of Ayurvedic medications that are available which have Bilva present in it. Like the Bilagel of Sandu, there is Berbenteron of Sandu, there is Hercoli of Dhanvantari Guj, it's in syrup form. There is Entrox Forte capsule of Anexo. There is, Bilvadi Lehium, which is a classical medicine. There is Bilvadi Gulika, Bilvadi Churna. There are wide range of formulation. There is Bilvaton, Bilagel, Berbenteron. All these are the formulations where Bael is present, Bilva is present, has beautiful results for many conditions that we spoke about. An authentic Ayurvedic doctor, as per the Prakriti, as per the condition, chooses the right medicine, the right form, at the right time of the day, which has great results overall. Of course, medicine consumed before meal goes towards the Vat, during meal goes towards the Pitta related disorders, and medicine, any herb taken after meal, goes towards the Kapha related disorder. There is a lot of beauty, lot of principles. An authentic Ayurvedic doctor applies it and beautiful results are seen. Even a fresh juice of Bael is consumed, we get all the benefits that we just spoke about. This was all for now. Do like and share this video further. Any doubts, any questions, let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.